survivors, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here with another video. If you're not subscribed and you're still here, we go. Thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated. I love you. Look at the first time seeing your girl, see my face. Oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed in any content that I bring to you, my darlings. I promise. Without further ado, guys, it's a review, guys. I am reviewing the Carmi Kiss of Fire palette. My lovelies, my darlings, Revolution has collabed with this beautiful soul, and I'm here today to just have a test around, show you what the palette looks like, give you a little demo. I have no idea what this actually looks like. I kind of held off to look at Carmi's video, so I only know what's on the back, which is this, my lovelies. Oh, look at him. He's a beautiful man. So these are the colors. This is the front. It is so beautiful, so I am so happy for Carmi, because you know I love Revolution so much. I'm going to open this, sweetie, and get right into what this looks like. Oh, it feels really cute. Very rough and rustic kind of material. Kind of feels kind of fluffy. Feels kind of fluffy, kind of like, even though it's not, it's completely not fluffy, but it's got that kind of texture. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got that kind of, can you hear that? That kind of rough texture, but it feels really good. It kind of feels velvety. That's very cool. I like that. So this is the packaging. This is what it looks like, honeys. So cute, kind of like a rosy gold kind of color. It's gold, but it's not in your face gold. Hopefully you can see that, because I might be just showing it and it just looks like gold. You're like, Ruriko, what are you talking about? It just looks like gold. But let's just get into this beauty, and we're gonna open it like so. So this is the outside. We're gonna put that down to one side, and then when you open it, you are greeted with all this plastic just to keep it all nice looking fresh, because you know Revolution loves their shiny palette, so they do get a lot of fingerprints, so they want the plastic on it so that when you open it, you're just greeted with all this shimmer. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love the black, I love the gold that they use, and then when you open it, ta-da, you are presented with this beauty. Oh my god, the colors are beautiful. Yes, darling, the colors are absolutely amazing. I like it. You know, they always give you this really big lovely mirror for £10, girl. Like, Revolution got you covered. Seriously, they got you covered. Just to let you guys know, this palette actually comes with some highlighters as well, so you get 10 eyeshadows and you get 2 highlighters. Hello, honey. I just can't wait. I'm gonna be glowing to the gods. Hopefully Carmi got me covered. So the colors are as follows. I'm gonna start at the top and just go over and then come back down. So you have Flash Me, Opulent, Baby, Yellow Heart, Valerie, Hashtag, You Welcome, XX111. Then you have Kiss of Fire, Game On, My Fair Lady, Morning Call, and Dominion. These are really different type of names. Okay, Carmi. Here we go. This is the palette. This is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Carmi Kiss of Fire. 10 eyeshadows and 2 highlighters, baby. Let's get into this video. As you guys already know, I always say this, I don't know what look I'm going to create, because I like to look at the palette with you guys. We're seeing this for the first time together. I kind of figure out, I love me some purple, guys, and there is 2 beautiful purples in here. So that's a very plummy purple, and then you got the kind of pinky reddy purple above that. I'm like, girl, and there's, you got 2 beautiful shimmers in the middle. You got 4 mattes, and then you got these they're kind of shimmery, these ones, but not as much, but they do have a shimmer undertone to them. Ooh, I don't know. Let me see. Let me get my brushes. So I'm gonna use a packing brush, and let's see if we can get into this. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Your Welcome, and I'm gonna use that as the normal coat. Oh, the pigment is beautiful. Can you see that? Yes, Carmi. Let's go. Oh, yeah, girl. See, this is what I would expect from the Soph palette. Already, it's just wow. It's wowing me already. And I'm just lightly pressing that in. I'm lightly pressing, and it's just wow. This is what you expect a Revolution collaboration to be like. Beautiful. You know, I'm always going to tell you guys the truth. Like, I'm not going to sit here and be lying and acting like, oh no, the palette is amazing, or, you know, my reaction is exactly what you see on camera. And I am already already impressed and I haven't done anything really. I've just put the colour on. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm in that packing stage. I'm literally in that packing stage where I'm doing a lot more blend out and transition colours, because it's something that I never used to do. I just used to really like blend the bottom colour, blend the top colour, blend the middle colour, blend. I always used to use 3 colours together. It used to always be like an ombre effect. So I am literally going through this effect where I am packing on product, blending it out, getting different effects. The texture is beautiful. The shimmer is exactly what you would expect from this type of palette. I'm gonna go in with Morning Call, which is this color right here, sweeties, to blend it out. Look at that, guys. Just breathe it in. Ugh, so beautiful. Oh my god, yes girl. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, this palette, this color, this pigment, really, really sickening. Oh, we're just gonna go blend that out, sweetie. I am loving this palette, this color, this purple. It's so much darker in the palette. You would think when it comes out it wouldn't be this shimmery. Girl, Carmi, this is beautiful, girl. This is so beautiful. Oh, well done. I've only used 2 colors and I'm already in Sugarton. It's taking me to Sugartown. Sugar. I'm gonna use a clean blending brush, which is this one, which is my Morphe, which is my BH cosmetic brush. I'm gonna go back in with You're Welcome. Just gonna pick up a little bit of product, honey, and I'm just gonna blend here, because that's where I want you, honey. Then I'm going to cut my crease, sweetie, and I'm gonna come with some shimmer. Oh my god. I am enjoying this palette, as you guys can tell. This is what you expect. This is exactly the same feel that I got from the Tammy palette. Beautiful. The pigments are in your face. I want to go in, I want to make another look, I want to make another look and another look. That's what you expect to get. I'm so sorry, but that's exactly what you expect to get from when you buy any palette and you spend your coins on it. So I'm going to cut my crease and then come back with another color from this beautiful palette. Carmi, Kiss of Fire, girl. You got me covered. Doesn't matter if you get it a little messy, honey. You know you can clean that up. The power of makeup, sweetie. I'm doing the sides a little bit messy because I want it to kind of, I'm going to be blending it in, so it doesn't need to be cut really nice there. Now that I've cut my crease, sweetie, I'm gonna go in with some Dominion. This color here will be a fun color to do it with. I thought this would be a very fun, it's very shimmery, very green, very cute, and I thought it would be really cute with the ombre of the 2 purples. Let's see, can you see that? The pigment, honey, the pigment, sweetie. Oh girl, oh you beautiful. Wow, guys. Wow. I am sure. Yes. And I'm going to go underneath my waterline with the same Dominion. So guys, my camera went off, so I just basically went and done the under eyes like I said I was going to do. I just used mascara, put some nice little eyeliner on for you guys. Then I'm going to test out these 2 highlighters, sweetie, because I love to be glowing. So I'm going to use my highlighter brush from BH number 4, and I'm going to go in with some Flash Me, which is this beautiful kind of like pearly kind of color, very metallic-y, got a very nice undertone. I love it. And I'm just going to lightly, wow, okay, and I'm just gonna do what I do. Okay, I'm gonna highlight. Girl, you don't need much. Oh, you just need to wow. Carmi, you got me glowing to the gods, sweetie. And then I'm going to go in with Opulence, and I'm gonna lightly go and I'm gonna lightly brush it over my cheekbone. Yes, Sweetie, you got it going on. You got it going on. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, I am living for it. Everybody knows I like to be glowing. This is the palette for you guys. £10, sweetie, and you get all this pigment, all this color. Beautiful. Damn. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Are you seeing this, darlings? Carmi, honey. Oh my god, you done well. You done so well, my beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I am so shook. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm glad that I bought it. Is it worth your coins? Yes, sweetie. £10 is for all of this. Hello. For all of this beautiful 2 highlighters and 10 eyeshadows. Wow. £10? Yes, my love. It is worth your coins. It's beautiful. You've seen it here yourself, how beautiful it is. And I'm gonna now do some swatches for you guys, because you need to see the other colors. You need to see the other colors, because I'm just shook about it. When I like something, I'll show you the whole thing, sweetie. Look at the shimmer. I'm looking at my so let's see. By the way, I went in with Flash Me above my eyes, and I went with Flash Me right here, and then I went into Opulence for my highlights here, here, and in the middle. So that's what you're seeing, sweetie. Okay, so we're gonna go with Baby. So that one was Bebe. Then we're gonna go in with Yellow Heart. Very creamy, very nice texture. Then we're gonna go in with Valeri. This one's a very shimmery color. There she is. Very cute. The yellow was a little bit chalky. Then we're gonna go in with XX111, or I don't really know Roman numerals, my lovely. But that is she. There she is. Beautiful colors, by the way. Beautiful colors. And then we're gonna go in with Kiss of Fire. Oh my god, girl, I should have used some of that. This is what the palette is based on, and she is pigmented to the gods, honey. Then we're gonna go in with Game On. Nice beautiful black. There she is. And then we're gonna go with My Fair Lady. Again, very shimmery, very creamy. She's beautiful already. There she is. Wow, she even nearly covered up my tattoo. Do you see that? Very pigmented. Oh my god. And then the rest you've seen. The rest I used. So you've seen the rest. So these are the other colors, darling. The yellow was a little bit chalky. Let's see if we can go in again and see. Was it just me? But she might be a little bit chalky, sweetie. Yeah, she's a little bit chalky, nobody can see, but yes, definitely a very good formula though, but a little bit chalky. But apart from that, my love, this palette is beautiful. I've had a lovely play around with it. It was going on a blank canvas. If you guys want to know what I use for my lips, this has nothing to do with anything, but just in case, I used the Morphe liquid lipstick and it's in Mood. But yes, apart from that, everything else, darling, was this beautiful Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, Carmi, Kiss of Fire. Oh my days, what a beautiful collaboration, what a beautiful palette. It is exactly what you think of when you think of Carmi. Like literally, this is her who is Carmi. This is her. I absolutely love this. This is beautiful. Well done to you, Carmi. You've done so well. Wow, girl, you got me looking like this, sweetie. Yes, darling, I love it. I love you. This is beautiful. It's everything you need. £10. Does it go with Ruriko's bag of tricks, darling? Yes, sweetie, it does. It does. It goes into my bag of tricks, and I will be using it again and again and again. I'm gonna go right to the palette, sweetie. Right to the middle, right to the bottom, right to the pan, sweetie. I absolutely am in awe of this palette. It's been your girl, Ruriko Yamazaki here. It's like your love and your order anybody needs, sweetie. And I'll catch you. Yes, you. The one that came to the end of the video, handle your girl, sweetie. I'll catch you, darling, on another video. Yes. Mwah.